Looking for the best white refrigerators? In this video we look at some of the top 3 white refrigerators on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, GE 17.5 cubic feet top freezer refrigerator. Pros: glass shelves are easy to clean. Door can hold a gallon of milk. Energy efficient. Cons: runs noisier than other models. Bottom line: this basic mid-sized refrigerator doesn't have any frills like an ice maker, but it offers good storage space for a fridge this size. At number 2, Whirlpool 10.7 cubic feet top freezer refrigerator. Pros: door storage, pull-out shelves, and bottom bin work well and offer good organization options. Separate freezer and refrigerator controls. Cons: because of the size, it only works for small households or as a second refrigerator. Bottom line: its narrow width makes this fridge ideal for small kitchens, but it still offers ample storage and good performance at an affordable price. At number 1, KitchenAid 20 cubic feet French door refrigerator. Pros: water filter works for both ice and water. You can customize the shelf and storage configuration to meet your needs. Door provides 2 gallons of storage space. Cons: have to be sure to push the refrigerator doors closed completely. If not, they can stay open, causing food to spoil. Bottom line: this refrigerator goes well beyond the basics to provide excellent storage space along with exceptional food preservation and performance. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.